Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 147th edition release. And this release will be her Black Friday sale. That sale, you buy more and you'll save more with coupon codes, and I'll have those flash across the screen right about now. Make sure you come back on Friday. The sale starts November 22nd, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's a 48-hour sale and will end November 24th, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you jot down those dates. Make sure you visit everyone's channels. I'll have everyone linked down below so you can go over and check out everybody. And also make sure you head over to Instagram as well. Everybody's links will be down below, the store, everything you'll need to know. And that's about all I have for you right now, but check out what I have made for you with these new products. Let's get started. Today we're showcasing these fun-size scallop ginger bow dies. And as you can tell, there goes the little gingers. It's in a layering piece this time. We also have Gingerbread House 2 dies. And so you'll have all of those in that set, and then there's more on the back side there. And it'll be 11 dies in that set. And we also have the Ginger House Border 2 dies. Let me turn that way so you can really see it. And then we have these freebie dies. Now these will be while supplies last. We have the fairy Santa hats, and there'll be 3 of these, and they coordinate with the fairies. These are the additional products that I use. So I use fairy dies number 2 and fairy dies number 3. I use the small loopy tag, cinnamon label dies, large treat bag add-ons, the large treat bag, Starry Background 2024. And the papers, I use Hot Chocolate Season 2024 and Beautiful Basics. And here we go. I thought I'd start out with the tag and the card that I made. So let's start out with this tag. This is where I use that loopy tag die, really cute. I also used some holly leaves. I forgot to bring that out, but maybe I'll sneak it in right about now. But I used that holly plate die, and then I just put her in this cute little outfit. She's just adorable with that little hat off to the side. I did use that new ginger bow die, and it's really cute. Love how she turned out. I did add an extra layer on the back side so that I can fill that out and hopefully be able to use that for Christmas. So really, really cute. And I love this one. So starting out, I used the Starry Background embossing folder, and I just added a little bit of white ink on the top of the stars just to kind of make that pop. And then I also put a few extra hats together, and as well as used the peppermint stick from them hot cocoa add-ons. And then these came from one of the dies that I'm going to show you in just a little bit. It came from the Gingerbread House, but I'll show you that in just a little bit. But I love how this turned out. Oh, and I also forgot to bring out her 4x4, I'm sorry, her 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layer dies. I also used that too. But this turned out so cute. Oh, I love how that turned out. And then there goes the inside of that one. Both are just adorable. And these are what I made for the last 2 remaining items. I thought I'd show you this way so you can get the full view, but they are 3D items. So this is where I use that large treat bag, and the sides for the add-ons that she released last month. And then this is how I use that Gingerbread House Border Dies. Adorable. And I thought it went perfect with the paper that I chose. And this is where I used the sentiment dies and the stamps. And I didn't show you that I used the stamps, but the stamps that she released for this release, I also used those. Let me grab those for you. And here we go. I used the Happy Holidays for that one. So that turned out really nice. Love how that looks. And then the sentiment dies to add that on too. And then I used that bow that I showcased yesterday. Just very, very pretty. I love this. It just turned out so cute to me. Added some chocolates in there. Adorable. And then I also made the gingerbread house into a 3D box. And I still use the large treat bag add-ons to create my sides for that. And just use all of the layers. And there goes the small bow that I showcased yesterday as well. But I love how this turned out. Just both of them are so super cute. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below. Make sure you head over to My Creative Time so you can get all the information that you'll need for tomorrow. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.